There is a major twist to the issue brewing at the Petersfield High School shelter in Westmoreland. Local government minister Desmond McKenzie has dismissed claims that he told persons housed at the shelter that they must vacate the premises by December 31. Our reporter Kimberly Petty has been tracking the story and now reports.
I've advised the persons who occupy the facility that by the end of December, we'll be closing the operations of the shelter here.
That was local government minister Desmond McKenzie on December 3, addressing persons who were occupying the shelter at Petersfield High School. Ever since that statement, many residents have been planning an exit route as they watched their calendars wind down. In addition to giving a closure date for the facility, he also laid out 4 alternatives available to residents: rent, infirmary, staying with family, or being housed temporarily in tents across from the school, an idea he said he later shelved. Our news team visited the shelter on Tuesday, a day before the planned closure, to see which option the residents had chosen. The residents told us they were in limbo as they did not receive an update from the government on the promises made. And so they made it clear they will not leave until they receive building supplies.
If you come on for shelter, go. You understand? We can't leave the shelter if we don't get material to rebuild one room or one 2 room. Remember, all the people over here, no? Mother and picnic over here, everybody over here, no? Woman over here with them 4 or 5 picnic, we don't have nowhere to go. Where them all go with the picnic, them out the roadside?
Now, fast forward to December 31, the day the shelter is expected to close. Minister McKenzie, having heard the people's plight, is refuting allegations he initially told them to leave.
At no stage, this government, this minister, nor the Prime Minister indicated to anyone that by 12 noon on the 31st, they will have to vacate.
But instead,
we said it was our intention to wind up the shelters on the 31st so that they can start the preparations to go back to school. We have had conversations with them down there and they have indicated, we gave an understanding that we will ensure that whatever is done, that their dignity and their pride is respected and protected.
He went further.
This government gave no such indication, and it is mischievous, and there are persons who are doing it for political motive. I want to push back at it. It's a lie.
The minister said the government is advanced in their preparations for the alternatives they suggested to the residents.
Presently, there's a team from Food for the Poor and from the ministry and other agencies that is in Petersfield from this morning, looking at the location that we are going to be putting down some temporary housing solutions until the permanent housing solutions that will be done through the Prime Minister's HOPE program will kick in.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.